I'm Michael Tamblyn. I'm CEO of BookNet Canada. Just finished a presentation downstairs at the Tech Forum, and one of the things that I'm finding really interesting right now is where BookNet has evolved from and where it's going to. So we started out, we were about the basics of a more efficient supply chain. Let's get EDI right, let's get data standardized, let's start tracking sales. But now what we're finding is how we can kind of take those assets and take the things that we've built and actually start connecting the industry more efficiently. So let's make it easier to share bibliographic data. Let's put it up in the cloud so not just retailers can get to it, but bloggers and experimenters and software developers and innovators can all kind of pull it and mix it and use it and play with it, because that's where we think a lot of interesting things are going to come when it comes to promoting books out there on the web. Let's take the work that we've been doing on sales data, which is about tracking every single book that's selling in the market, and let's layer that with collaboration tools. So now I'm looking at the data, but I'm also having a conversation between a buyer and a seller about how this book is doing. I'm capturing all of that on an ongoing basis, and I'm able to hopefully make better decisions as a result of it. So we're kind of taking things that were infrastructure, we're turning them from pure services into collaborations. We're taking data and putting it in the hands of different people that didn't have it before. We're trying to make it easier to move all of that information around. And that's kind of the way the supply chain in general is evolving. So on one hand, it's getting more efficient and more sort of streamlined, but at the same time, it's spreading out and getting a little messier, a little more loosely joined, with some kind of core data assets sitting in the middle that we want to be as good as they possibly can.